So Neil, you make a lot of complex components here at Leemark Engineering, don't you?
Yes, that's our USP. We make the most complicated components we can. It keeps us competitive and keeps us in the right marketplace.
Yeah, and since you've got such a long history, engineering's changed a lot in that time, hasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, when you think back, my dad started this company in 1967. Engineering is quite a dirty environment. Now the focus on metal coating fluids, really important that they're maintained, looked after, and you know, the staff demand that, as they should do, that we meet all the health and safety requirements.
Yeah, and provide a good, clean working environment for people to thrive in. And what have you done to try and change the company over time?
Well, the first thing we did is every single machine has got a Filtermist unit on it. That filtration, that extraction of the mist is absolutely integral. We've got to look after our staff. I don't think there's awareness, and in the last 20 years that's came about, and basically that awareness is there. We think it's really important they're looked after and they're not exposed to any harmful metal coating fumes.
Yeah, absolutely. And why have you installed Filtermist units on every single machine tool, and why did you pick Filtermist?
Filtermist are a known brand, and basically they are very, very robust, and they do what they say they do. They clean out that mist from the machines.
Yeah. And what results have you seen in the workshop day to day?
Much cleaner. I mean, back in the day, you would have an oily film on top of the machines. That's all gone now. We live in a temperature-controlled environment, and with our Filtermist now, it's a very, very clean environment we're working in, and I think everyone who works for us does appreciate it.